Good evening, everyone. I'm really sorry for the camera quality in the last video, which is why this time I'm shooting it from my phone. Last time it was from the laptop, which is why it wasn't good. So I just have some notes. I'm gonna keep it raw, unedited, as I told you always. So let's just start. Today I wasn't able to do much, but we still did something. So in Python, we were able to complete the Python revision, all the basic stuff, and then the object-oriented programming, the abstraction, polymorphism, inheritance, and all of those stuffs. And then I finished up with the intro on the generators and decorators. That's it for the Python. In DevOps side, we did some substantial amount. Apparently, there's a difference between shell and a kernel. I mean, there is always a difference, but I never really cared to understand the true depth of it. I'm going to make a very short video about it because the difference was pretty substantial, and it's really interesting. That was the first thing. I just touched up a bit on the shell scripting. See, I'm not going to go too much into the depth of shell scripting because I don't really get it. I don't connect with it. There's not a good bond or vibe in it. So I'm not going to go too much in that. But we will still going to cover a substantial part about it. That was the thing. And then DNS, domain name system. I have to tell you, I learned more from what happened to me than I could learn from this book. Apparently, let me tell you this, my Arch Linux uses a rolling updates as every other Arch Linux. So now my university uses some different authentication protocol for their Wi-Fi. Now, I don't know if it's because of that or something else. I updated my system and it got bricked. Yes, the DNS was completely done. Not a single website was being able to be resolved. The servers, I guess, the servers were not able to communicate with each other according to they have their own hierarchies. So I guess that was not working. But either ways, it bricked my system and I had to completely reset it. If not for this guy, I wouldn't be making these videos. I have everything on this hard drive. This single-handedly saved my life. So please keep a backup and a hard drive. That was for the DNS, and then we ended up with HTTP and HTTPS. The difference between them is just a small certificate. That was the only difference, and other few things. And then in the end, I just touched up on IP addresses. It is a very deep topic, IP address, so tomorrow I'm going to be covering most about it. So I guess see you guys tomorrow. Then that's it for today.